Welcome back, everyone. Kai here, and today I'm showing you the box office trifecta template, a must-have for anyone running a movie channel. We're tapping into IMDb's box office data to get started. The workflow automatically loops through the rankings. We've set it to grab the top 3 movies, but you can extract as many as you want. It then opens each film in its own tab to pull the deep details, like the full cast and the storyline, automatically. Here is our Google Sheets setup. We're logging everything here to ensure we never send duplicate content to your audience. When setting this up, you'll need to define your columns. You can grab the exact names from the structure parser part of the workflow to make it super easy. One quick tip: feel free to rename your columns if you need to, but keep the column order exactly the same so the data lands in the right spot every time. Time for a quick behind-the-scenes look. Let's check the agent's execution steps in the Run tab. I show you this every time because it's the best way to verify your agent's logic before you go live. It lets you see exactly how the AI is processing the IMDb data. Let's take a look at the n8n logic. I've added sticky notes throughout the canvas to help you find your way, including the exact BrowserAct template names for this build. The whole process starts automatically. BrowserAct runs, grabs the trending data, and saves it. You can set this to run every week on autopilot. From there, we pull those fresh rows from our Google Sheets database and aggregate all the movies together. This gives our AI agent the full picture, so it can generate the perfect output in one go. We use Google Sheets as our central database for this workflow. By saving the data this way, we can define specific columns and store everything organized by category. Now we hand the reins to the AI script writer. This agent is a powerhouse. It scrubs the data for duplicates and polishes the descriptions with Telegram-friendly HTML tags. Thanks to structured output, the format stays perfectly consistent for every post. To finish the loop, we split out each movie and save the final versions into Google Sheets, giving you a clean, ready-to-use archive for your channel. When creating your database sheet, you must define the columns clearly. If you want to change any names, make sure to update them in the workflow as well. Finally, we send all the data to Telegram. You'll need to define your channel ID in the chat ID field to ensure the messages land in the right place. Now, let's see the result. Check out this final posts. We've got a perfectly formatted, user-friendly message live in the channel. It features a clean title and summary, a direct trailer link, and targeted hashtags to boost searchability. It's the ultimate way to keep your followers engaged with zero extra effort. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.